The real estate market is rapidly shifting. So if you are interested to buy a house in Toronto in East York, in the Junction area, this is the right place for you. It is 3-bedroom semi-detached house with a 1.5 bathroom. The house needs some works. So if you are interested by yourself or if you are an investor, so you must have it as soon as possible. When you enter the house, in the front you have to see the front porch. Is it covered? You can put your garbage bins, or you can put any other things when you enter in the house. Living rooms it's need a little bit of work. Need to change the windows. So here is the dining room. It's quite large, can fit in the 8-seated dining tables. Here is the kitchen area, so you can have a 2 refrigerator here with the stoves and the double sink here with microwave. So here I am on the 2nd floor, and you can find 3 bedrooms in here with a 4-piece bathroom. So if you enter from the stairs, you see the main master bedrooms, and this one has a big walk closets. So you can have a nice and lovely house when you keep touch in or you do renovation. JAHANGIR SIKDER with Realty. If you like this house, just call me at 519-994-7414.